What's up guys, Eric from B-Side. Today we have here a 2023 Jeep Gladiator and we're going to be doing another Shiftpower throttle response controller install and demonstration. This time the part number is SP02 and it's very easy to install on this vehicle just like the other one. We just went ahead and put the car to sleep. We locked the car, we unlocked it, we left the driver's door open for about 10 minutes while we kept the key very far away where it cannot be detected from the vehicle. After that, all we have to do is go under the steering wheel column area to find our acceleration pedal plug. We just need to unplug it, plug this in the daisy chain fashion, find a good place for the button, and download the app, set it up, and that's it. So let me go ahead and show you how that's done. All right guys, let me go ahead and show you the contents of this kit. The module here, that's already pre-connected to the harness, plug and play harness. There's a module, also comes with a button, and all we have to do is connect this button to the module like so. Okay, and we have some zip ties that comes with it and a sticker that we can place anywhere as well. So as you can see on this connector here, it's very easy. We just need to pull this out sideways, like how you see over here. It slides left and right, and then we'll be able to pull it out. So let's go ahead and do that. Go in here. Okay, there it is, right here. So it's gonna go ahead and pull this out. We might need to use a little pick, a little opening on the top of the connector. I went ahead and pried it out, and from there, just went ahead and pulled it out like so. Okay, go ahead and pull it up just like that. And we're gonna grab ours. Just gonna daisy chain this. So basically this side will plug into there. Okay. Okay, it's locked in place. I'm gonna do the same for this right here. Okay, cool, sweet, there it is. Went ahead and connected that. And then let me go ahead and clean this up, find a good place for the button, and then that will finish the installation. All right guys, just so I show you how I tidied everything up. So here's the connector here, the module, it's daisy chained. I went ahead and I zip tied this to this factory cables here, and also zip tied the module side like so. Okay, on the factory cables, it's not going anywhere. If you need to access it, it's right there. And then up above, we have the button that we need to mount. We're gonna mount it right here. Okay, mount it right there. Went ahead and pulled this panel piece. Just place your finger back here and just pull it out. And we fished the wire down, and then we brought this up here. Make sure you wipe this with some alcohol wipes before you place the button. We went ahead and did that, so we're gonna peel the sticker and then place it here, and that will complete our installation. All right guys, so we went ahead and just finished installing it. Let's go ahead and turn on the engine. I'll show you how to set this up. First thing we wanna do is we wanna download the app, go to the App Store and type the word Shiftpower by Favtech, and then we already downloaded it. After you download, go ahead and open it, and once you open it, you're gonna select this car button or this car icon right here, and then go ahead and connect, and it's gonna ask you for the password. And when it asks you for the password, you are going to go to either your user manual or to the module itself, and you'll find the password. So you'll find it right here, okay? All right, so we are connected. I'm gonna go ahead and select your vehicle. It's the Jeep Gladiator 2023. All right, so now we are live. So every time you press this button here, you will cycle through different modes. If you want something in between, you can drag it like so, okay, in 1% increments. Okay, and there's also a valet mode. If you put the valet mode, you're basically restricting the amount of acceleration, so they can't go and floor your car with the valet drivers. And we can also lock the throttle here, So when you lock it, as you can tell, I'm accelerating. This shows you how much acceleration I'm giving, but because of shift power, it's blocking it. So this is a good anti-theft device. When you park your car somewhere outside and some thief manages to turn on your car, they won't be able to drive off with it. Okay, and we also have an eco mode as well. You can go ahead and make the adjustments. All right, cool. Now that we got everything set up, let's go for a test drive. So you do feel a lag from the factory. Okay.
Definitely.
So we're currently using 25%. This is the most popular setting people will use on a daily driven car.
Oh, it's definitely more responsive.
Yeah? Okay, here, let me raise it. Feel different?
Mm-hmm.
This is on race mode now.
So just a little touch will just get me going.
And I'll put it back down to dynamic for you. And a lot of people, what they like to do with this is on the freeway, they'll put it all the way to race mode. So when they're cruising, they don't have to push the pedal down as much. So it'll be less fatigue. All right, guys, well, that concludes our installation demonstration of our Shiftpower throttle response controller on this 2023 Jeep Gladiator. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, or you can email us at info@bsonicusa.com. If you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe and like our video. Thank you very much. See you guys on the next video.